Hi, I'm Carolyn Burman from the Bridge Family Center. I am a licensed marriage and family therapy associate, and I work at the Farmington location of our counseling center. I like to provide a validating space for others to process mental health challenges or everyday stressors. And I also had a great therapist myself who really showed me how powerful therapy can be. I primarily work with kids ages 5 to 18, and with kids under the age of 12, I do largely play-based therapy. Play-based therapy allows the kids to express themselves and to process their thoughts, feelings, emotions, and challenges through play using toys, figurines. We have a sand tray and imaginative play to work out what they're going through. I do also work with families. Oftentimes, play-based therapy can be a great way to have a family connect about challenges in a different way that they're used to. So families can come to therapy to talk about ongoing tension or conflict that might be happening at the home, or behavioral issues that could be happening with a child at school. Play-based therapy with families can bring some levity to what is often a challenging conversation. A typical therapy session can look a lot of different ways, but predominantly we could use toys, figurines, games in the therapy room to facilitate the play-based session. So this can look like kids using animal figurines and the sand tray to build a representation of their house. We don't have to understand what the kids are playing out, but we do have to understand that play is the language of children, and that is how they process their thoughts and feelings. So here at Bridge West, we have a playroom and we have all sorts of tools and materials that kids can engage with. We have stuffed animals and plushies, we have puppets, we have a sand tray, we have a yoga ball, and we have a ton of art supplies. These sessions are often child-led, so the kids get to really choose what they engage with. A session can also be playing music, having dim lighting, and just creating a calm environment. I do also work with teenagers, and teenagers are often more talk-based therapy sessions, but they still also like to engage in the playroom. So thanks so much for joining me here at Bridge West in Farmington, and if you would like to learn more about play-based therapy, feel free to give us a call.